With over 1.5 million units sold in the last decade, it is our most popular SUV and a true story of success. So we made sure that the new model is an eye-catcher. In this segment, design is key. What are the most important design aspects of the new GLC? It has a sporty, bolder look in the front and in the rear. LED headlamps and taillights are now standard. And it offers attractive new wheel designs all the way up to 20 inches. Now, as you know, connectivity is a game changer. This is why our MBUX with Hey Mercedes is now standard. And what I like the most about it, it is so easy to use. You now have many different intuitive ways to interact with your car, by voice, by touch, or even touchless with our new MBUX interior assistant. Last but not least, we offer a completely new engine lineup with both gasoline and diesel options. They are more powerful and more efficient. With all these improvements coming to the new GLC, I'm sure this success story will continue.
The refreshed Mercedes-Benz GLC class arrives offering buyers a premium crossover with a slightly different look and a whole lot more tech. The updated model debuts to the public at the Geneva Motor Show and goes on sale in Europe in the middle of the year. Americans have to wait until late 2019. The GLC class is the latest Mercedes to gain the M-Box system that consists of digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen in a wide bezel that spans much of the dashboard. New trim choices, natural grain gray oak and natural grain walnut, add a fresher look to the cabin. A revised multi-function steering wheel has new controls for using the updated infotainment system. In the United States, buyers can select between the rear-wheel drive GLC 300 and all-wheel drive GLC 300 4MATIC. Both of them come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that makes 255 horsepower. A 9-speed automatic is the only gearbox choice for them. In Europe, there are two gasoline-fueled options, and both of them use the 48-volt mild hybrid tech, which doesn't come on the American versions. The base GLC 200 4MATIC offers 194 horsepower, and the GLC 300 4MATIC has 255 horsepower. In addition, there are three diesel choices: the GLC 200D 4MATIC with 161 horsepower, GLC 220D 4MATIC with 192 horsepower, and GLC 300D 4MATIC with 241 horsepower.